Hi guys, I'm back again. Thank you so much for tuning in on this video. Guys, I'm so happy to share this recipe with you all. My name is Mirian Dike. So guys, as you can see, this is all we need for this recipe. I mean, the second method I'm using to make my oven egg roll. So just grab anything around you eatable and relax. Watch till the end to see the new, another updated, yes, of Mirian Dike egg roll. Stay tuned and God bless you. So right now, go ahead and mix all the sugar together and set it aside before mixing others. For the quantity I use for this oven egg roll number 2 method, just check down below on the description box to see the exact quantity I used on it. So after adding half of the butter, I'll go ahead, wash my hands and continue to mix it with my hand. Yes. After mixing it, you will now see how the texture will look like. But first, like you see what I'm doing right now, add my vanilla concentrate, that is vanilla flavor. If you don't have that one, you can go ahead and use any vanilla flavor you have. This flavor will help to bring out, oh my goodness, what am I even talking about? It takes this, when I mean this egg roll, to another level. You guys need to taste it. I don't even know what. Wait, let me just, you know what? Wait till the end to see how it looks like. So this is the quantity of milk I have for this dough. Right now I'm going to warm it very well, not for it to boil but to warm, just warm it before adding it on the texture. Then with that you can form the dough. So no use of water in this second method. It is only this milk you will use to mix it. If you think that your milk is not enough, but don't forget, as you're mixing it, just be looking at the form, because if you put more milk, maybe it's not going to form very well. So after that, I'm going to get my board and start nailing it. I did it in 2 forms. Just take a look at that, one after the other. But guys, you have to be very careful because of the butter, it's very soft and can, what will I say, it doesn't come together like other one. Just take a look at how it looks like. It's oily. You can see my hand is shining. So it's very oily, but the taste after doing it, oh my goodness, you really need to try this method. You really need to give it a try. After this one, whenever I made these buns, my kids, I mean the egg roll, my kids always ask me for another and another. You know, kids, they can eat. So, but for the other one, they'll eat it, but it's not like this one. This one tastes, You need to give it a try. Honestly, you need to. So this method, I must tell you to be very careful because if you don't hold it very well, it will scatter. When I mean the dough will just break. So right now it's going straight to the oven to be baked. So watch till the end and see the result of it. Why I like this method is it is very crunchy, guys. It's done. Oh my goodness, just take a look at it, how it looks like. Yeah, like I said, it's very crunchy. Let me just open inside of it for you to see how it looks like. If you watched my first oven baked egg roll, you will notice that there is a difference between both of them. The other one, the first one is not so crunchy like this one and not milky like this one. This one tastes, it has a milk taste, and the inside of it, the texture is also good like the other one, but there is a great difference from the taste. You know, this one tastes more of vanilla flavor and milk together with the egg inside, and this one has a different yummy taste too. So it depends on you, the one you would like to do, whether you like the crunchy one or the one that is not crunchy. This one is not so crunchy like the other one. Yeah, like I said before, but both of them taste good. When I mean good, yeah, they are good. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.